blow the balloon.
No, I can't.
Hi guys, today we will show you how to blow balloons in a different way. Today we need 3 ingredients. Number 1, baking soda. Number 2, balloons. Number 3, vinegar. Okay, 2, 3. I'm holding it tight. How to stop it? How to stop it? I'm so scared. Just let it be. See? Let it go now. Let go. I'm not.
No, don't let go. Don't let go. Okay.
I did it correctly. This is my best day